Water. It's essential for all life on our planet. It's also essential for the life of your equipment. Water absorbs and disperses the excess heat that threatens the life of your machinery. But contaminants in the machine's coolant can seriously inhibit its ability to control the machine's temperature. Solids dissolved in the water can adhere to the internal surfaces of the cooling system, insulating those surfaces from the water and blocking the system's ability to transfer heat away from key components like the cylinder heads and the radiator. Harvard's continuous contamination control system removes those dissolved solids from the water and keeps the water free of contaminants as the equipment continues to operate. In this General Motors EMD engine, the Harvard filtration system reduced the level of iron in the water from 2.9 parts per million to 0.2 parts per million after just 150 hours of filtration. These samples of water from the cooling system display the clarity the Harvard system achieved in that short time frame. After initial cleanup, the Harvard system maintained this level of purity for over 3,000 hours of continuous operation on the same filter. Cleaning dissolved solids from the water also had a remarkable effect on the internal surfaces of the equipment. Surfaces that had been covered with scale and deposits were actually washed clean as the equipment continued to operate. Removing solids from the water freed it to absorb the solids clinging to the internal surfaces of the equipment, restoring the ability of those surfaces to transfer heat away from the engine. The contaminants caking these used Harvard filters could be coating the inside of the cooling system. Keeping contaminants out of the water not only keeps them off the equipment, it also reduces their corrosive effects, and Harvard filters allow corrosion inhibitors to remain in the coolant, where they can continue to protect the internal surfaces of the system. Around the globe, operations are achieving the same results with Harvard filters in a variety of water filtration applications, like this Caterpillar 3500 series engine in an oil pipeline in South America. This MWM engine used in pumping stations in Central America and Asia, and in MAN engines like this one in power generation operations in Central America and Africa. Join the growing number of Harvard customers, increasing the reliability and longevity of their equipment using Harvard's continuous contamination control system. Visit harvardcorp.com for a free quote.